Now, this is not compulsory. Like I told you, this is for people that like healthy skin. You want your skin to be healthy, and you also want your skin to be glowy, and you also want your skin to be shiny, and you want to maintain these three things that I just mentioned for a long time. So, tip number 7. This tip number 7 is my personal secret that I used to do.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow.
So today we're going to be talking about how to use lightening body lotions for a long time without getting skin damage. There are a lot of side effects that come with using lightening body lotions. As Africans with melanin rich skin, once in a while in our lifetime, we all have this need to use a lightening cream, and that is because we are always prone to pigmentation, we are always prone to hyperpigmentation, and we are always prone to excess melanin production, which is the reason why we all get darker at any point in time. So that is why a lot of people use lightening body lotions to actually tackle this particular issue. So if you are using a lightening body lotion, it is not bad. Now, the issue here is that a lot of people get lightening body lotions and not know exactly how to use them, and not bear in mind that these things have side effects. In as much as they help our African skin, they help our melanin rich skin, to curtail the amount of excess melanin production we get, to give us that glowing, bright, clear skin that we desire. There are things you should and should not do while using lightening body lotions, and that is why I'm going to be sharing with you eight tips that I personally wish I knew earlier on when I started using lightening lotions. These tips are going to help you to be able to use your lightening body lotions continuously without getting any skin damage. Now, if you don't know, using lightening body lotions excessively can make you to age faster, okay, because it can weaken your skin and you are going to appear older than your age. So, how to use lightening body lotion for a long time without getting skin damage? Tip number 1. Tip number 1 is for you to choose the right lightening body lotion for you. Now, it is not every lightening body lotion in the market, any lightening body lotion that comes out in the market, that you should try. If you are not new to my channel, you know that I don't talk about a lot of products. I talk about specific kind of product, and that is because these are products that are very transparent with their ingredients. A lot of products in the market, they are not what you think they are. They do not contain the things you think that they contain. So you need to be very careful when choosing a brand for you. Choose a trusted brand. Choose a brand that has been here for years. Choose a brand that people have been using for years, with minimal or less reactions. Not every new product in the market is worth your money, or is worth you buying it to try it. Let me give you a short story that is going to help somebody. Okay, now somebody contacted me one time, a random person that sells cosmetic inside the market. He went to, I think, France, and produced a cream and wanted me to review it and all of those things. Now, this is someone that doesn't know anything. This is just a someone that sells cosmetic. Okay, he fabricated this thing and put it in his shop and probably distributed it all over in the market. Now, he's not a chemist, he's not anything. He just went to France, went to a company and told them to, make a cream for him, lightening cream and all of that. And there's nothing wrong with that. It's okay, it's people's business, but I would prefer to buy from a brand that I know that have some standards they follow, not from a random businessman that just wants to make money. A lot of the lightening body lotions in the market are being produced. The owners, it's written made in France, made in US, made here, but the real owners are local businessmen who do not know anything about your skin, who do not actually care. All they want is, people are buying lightening creams, they put it in their shops and you come and buy it. So I need you to be very wise and intentional when you are choosing the right product for you. So make sure you go for trusted brand, make sure you go for something that has been here for a long time, and they have website. You can actually go and check out these products by yourself and ascertain that they are real and they are original. So number 1, choose the right product for you. Okay, some lightning body lotions have hydroquinone, it is not listed. They have mercury, it's not listed. They have a lot of things inside of them that are not listed in the ingredient list. So even if I go and buy it and review it, I'm just talking about what I know. I'm not talking about what's contained inside of the body lotion that I'm not aware of. And that is why I don't review any kind of product. Do you understand? So that's tip number one. So tip number two is, do not use a lightning body lotion alone. A lot of people do this, a whole lot of people do this. Now, when you go to buy a lightning body lotion, budget to buy two body lotions that same day. Buy a lightning body lotion and also buy a moisturizing body lotion. This is compulsory for everybody, whether you have sensitive skin, whether you don't have sensitive skin, whether you are 17 years old watching this video right now, 20, 25, 30, I don't care your age, but once that body lotion is a lightening body lotion, is a whitening body lotion, or even a super brightening body lotion, my dear, get that body lotion with a moisturizing hydrating body lotion. Now this is the reason. The reason is that when a body lotion says lightening body lotion, the only thing it is doing for your skin is lightening. That particular product is not formulated solely for hydration, it's not formulated solely for skin repair. Yeah, it will be written all of those things, skin repair, this one, that one, hydration, and all of those things. But the key thing that body lotion is meant to do for your skin is lightening. So if you buy it, you are going to need to use it with a moisturizing and hydrating body lotion. Now this is not compulsory, like I told you, this is for people that like healthy skin. You want your skin to be healthy, and you also want your skin to be glowy, and you also want your skin to be shiny, and you want to maintain these three things that I just mentioned for a long time. Because if you do not use your lightening body lotion with a moisturizing body lotion, on the long run your skin is not going to look good. Quote me anywhere. Okay, so use your lightening body lotion with a moisturizer. I'm going to get to how you're going to use it. So this is tip number two. Tip number three, if you have sensitive skin, use the sandwich method. Now, if you have sensitive skin, which is if you are that person that anytime you use anything lightening on your skin, you get green veins, you get stretch marks, you get red veins, you get white patches. If that is you, use the sandwich method anytime you are using anything lightening on your skin. Sandwich method is tip number three. I said get a moisturizing lotion, right? Yeah, this is the first way you should use it, or the way you should use it if you have very sensitive skin. The sandwich method is whereby you are going to use that your lightening body lotion and your moisturizer at the same time. That is, after having your bath, you are going to apply your moisturizer all over your body. Okay, whatever moisturizer it is, Nivea, Jergens, whatever it is, just make sure it is a plain moisturizer, not brightening moisturizer, not anything moisturizer. Make sure it is a plain moisturizer. It can be a skin repair moisturizer, it can be a barrier skin moisturizer, just a plain moisturizer that the only thing it does to your body is hydration and moisturization and probably skin repair. Okay, so now you're going to apply it all over your body, and then you are going to apply your lightening body lotion. That is the sandwich method. Some people go ahead and still follow up with the moisturizer. That's the actual sandwich method, doing 3 layers here, but this is just the 2-layer method. Let me say that's the 2-layer method. Apply your moisturizer all over your body, then you go with your lightening body lotion. That way your moisturizer is the first thing having contact with your skin. Remember, these things are staying on your skin and also even penetrating into your skin. So now that first one sitting on your skin is going to act as a cushion to the lightening body lotion and make it to work slower. So just in case it is a body lotion that is supposed to give you stretch mark, because your skin is moisturized and hydrated enough, your skin is not going to lose its elasticity. A skin that loses its elasticity fast is a skin that is dry, is a skin that is dehydrated, is a skin that is not properly moisturized. So when your skin is properly moisturized and hydrated, you are not going to get stretch mark. Even if you use something that is going to warrant it, you just start seeing the signs. Thereby you are going to know that, oh, I should stop this lotion. Okay, so that's the way you should use your lightening body lotion if you have sensitive skin. So tip number 4, if you have normal skin, use your lightening body lotion once a day. Now, for those that have normal skin, you don't get reactions from using lightening lotions. That's not an excuse to use your lightening lotion 2 times a day. Use your lightening lotions once a day. As I pointed out initially from the beginning of this video, if you overuse lightening products, you might not see the result now. Get to 40, get to 50. That's when you're going to see the result of overusing lightening products. Okay, now let me actually say, when I say lightening, anything that lightens your skin is lightening products. Carrots, papaya, kojic, tranexamic acid, alpha arbutin, exfoliators. All these things are active ingredients that you should limit on your skin as much as you can. In as much as they do you a lot of good, heal a lot of pigmentation and all of those things, do not overuse any of your skin actives for later purposes. Okay, yeah. So tip number 5, use moisturizing products in the morning. Now, if you are using a lightening body lotion, you have a lightening body lotion and you have a lightening shower gel, okay, use them at night. Use it at night, and then in the morning use only moisturizing products. Your soap should be moisturizing. If you have a body oil, it should be a moisturizing body oil. It should be like almond oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, things that are going to put back moisturization, put back hydration, skin repair benefits to your skin. Your body lotion in the morning should be a moisturizing body lotion. Okay, even for those that I said use sandwich method, that should not be in the morning. Use it at night. Use your lightening body lotions at night. In the morning, you should use everything moisturizing, everything hydrating on your skin. Okay, it is going to help to be repairing your skin and also to be preventing that damage that you might get from using lightening body lotions every day on the long run. Tip number 6, avoid sun as much as you can. Yeah, I know you're going to say you know this one, but let me tell you, a lot of people think because they are using their lightening body lotion in the night, so in the daytime they are free to roast themselves under the sun. No. Once you are using your lightening body lotion, it's not disappearing from your skin. The effect of the lightening lotion is still on your skin. So in the daytime, avoid sun as much as you can, because too much exposure to the sun can make your skin to get darker. It can increase your dark spots. If you already have dark spots you are treating, it is going to increase it. If you already have melasma you are treating, it is going to increase it. Okay, so avoid sun as much as you can. That doesn't mean you should not enter the sun at all, because you also need vitamin D in your skin, but avoid sun as much as you can. And if you are buoyant enough, use sunscreens. Okay, get body sunscreens, use them on the exposed part of your body. It will also help. But if you don't have sunscreens to use in the daytime, just try to walk in shades, cover up your body, use umbrella, and yeah, you are good to go. Just avoid sun as much as you can once you are using anything lightening. Okay, yes. So tip number 7, this tip number 7 is my personal secret that I used to do now, and that is anytime I get into the sun, like let's take for example the days I go to the market. Okay, I don't have a choice but just to be under the sun because I'm buying stuff. I spend hours inside the market and I come back. When I come back, the first thing I do is to go and have my bath. And after having my bath, what I use on my skin first is aloe vera gel, and there is a reason for that. Aloe vera gel has a cooling effect on the skin. Aloe vera gel is going to cool your skin and give that soothing relief from all those hotness from the sun. So I apply aloe vera gel on my skin and then I go in with my body lotion. I don't just carry my body lotion and apply. So that's using aloe vera gel really helps, even on my face. So I apply aloe vera gel from my face to my leg. Okay, give it some time to seep in and then go in with your normal routine. This really helps to soothe that hotness from the sun and avoid you to have all those effects that comes from the sun the next day. So tip number 8, this tip number 8 is actually very important because a lot of people complain and say, oh, my body lotion is no longer working for me. I've been using this body lotion and it stopped working. I'm now getting dark. Now, if that is you, if that usually happens to you, this is a solution to it. A solution to that particular problem is to take breaks in between your lightening products. If you start using a lightening product and it is working for you and it's not giving you any reaction, you really like this product, don't use it forever. Okay, use it as your skin has brightened up. You drop it, give it time, then use probably brightening products. Remember, brightening is different from lightening. Okay, use brightening product like maybe a vitamin C body lotion. For example, start using a vitamin C body lotion. Still keep your lightening body lotion. You can use your vitamin C body lotion for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. The fourth week, you go back to your lightening body lotion and use it for like 1 week. Okay, maybe 1 week, 2 weeks. Then stop it. Then continue with your vitamin C body lotion. So just keep giving those gaps so your skin does not get used to all those ingredients in that particular body lotion. Once your skin gets used to it, it is finished. You have to go back into the streets, into the markets, into YouTube streets to start looking for lightening body lotions again that you're going to buy, because the one you have is not working for you. The product is not the problem, but your skin has gotten too used to that product, and that's why it stopped working. So giving those breaks is going to give your skin that break to not get bored of it. It's just like when you're eating one food every day, you're going to get bored of it. Do you get? So give those breaks to your skin and go back and forth with your lightening body lotion, with your lightening body products, and your skin is going to be fine. If you follow these 8 steps, trust me, you can use any lotion you basically want to use for as long as you want to use them without having any skin issues, without having to change your body lotion and all of those things. So that is what I thought to share with you in today's video.